Hi, I'm Karen from iFix Things, and I have a vintage iPad 2 that I bought, I think, in 2010. And I will take this bad boy and slide it into, can you see my big old honkin' purse? It fits perfectly in there. And today, as I was getting out of the car, my purse fell and landed right upside down and smacked the fire out of my iPad. And I'm going to show you some video of what my iPad screen started doing and how I fixed it. And here is what happened. I don't know if you can see this, but the screen, well, the screen has become iridescent. See that? That's not supposed to be there. That means the ribbon that's inside the device has dislodged itself just a little bit. I did a little bit of research, and I was able to successfully fix this the last time this happened. So I know that what direction it fell on, right? I think it fell and hit this side. So what I need to do is give a little bit of percussive adjustment and see if I can tap the ribbon back into place externally by just bonking the iPad down. I've got something soft and leathery here. I'm going to give that a try. Yeah, so this is the correct orientation. It fell on this side, right, which would mean it dislodged the ribbon. If it hit on the top, the ribbon went that way. So what I want to do is tap the ribbon back down. So can't make it any worse, right? Yikes. Well, yes I can. Well, let's try the other way. Oh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. What the heck? I fixed it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, all right. Karen, stop. Oh my gosh. And I just want to remind you, sometimes you just got to take the bull by the horns and try a thing. For me, in my opinion, I can't make my iPad worse if the screen is all fuzzy. I've been thinking about buying a new one anyways. So it can't hurt to just test drive it. Again, this is at your own risk. This is what I decided to do to my iPad to see if I could fix it. And I did. Good luck.